Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and I am a mom to two boys that are 3.5 years apart. So I love it when I can find a game that both of them can enjoy together in spite of their age difference. And that's why I love Guess Who, because they can play it just the two of them. They don't need me, they both understand it, and they both love it. So it's a really simple concept. You've got all these different people, and all you do is you ask the other person about different characteristics. Are you a girl? If they're a girl, they say yes, then you can put down all the boys. And so as the game progresses and they ask each other questions, they slowly eliminate one person at a time, and whoever guesses who the other person is first wins. So it's fun. There's a little slider down here to keep track of score if you want to keep track of how many rounds you win. But my boys love it. I love it because it's something they can do on their own without mom. So if they need to play independently, this is one of those things that is a go-to. So I love it. I think your kids will love it too. And that's our point of view.